What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, look what I found. I finally found these. I've been hoping to find these for about 2 weeks now, and I wasn't even sure exactly what it was, but I knew it was cute, and I knew that I wanted to see it too. These are the Trolls World Tour Jumbo Lip Balms. Now, it's actually just one lip balm, and the other 3 are just little puppet toppers. It says finger puppet toppers. This is what it looks like. So I think you could put it on the actual lip balm, or you could play with it, you know, as like a little finger puppet. And then we also have this variety as well. This little one here. Same one here, but the second one is different and the third one is different. This one is mango flavored, and this one is strawberry flavored. Let's go over here to the display. There's only one left on the shelf. And yes, it's also strawberry flavored. Yep, also strawberry flavored. I'll put this one back because the one I grabbed has slightly better hair. These might be gifts for my niece. I know she likes trolls. Okay, so last week you guys were kind of teasing me in the comments saying it's like the whole underwater theme, underwater melon kiwi. And then we have the White Rain 3-in-1, that's always here. We will go back to the hygiene aisle, but I wanted to come over here and just see what we had. Ultra Gel Wash and Wax. We'll probably have a lot of car items here popping up pretty soon. Epoxy glue, permanent mounting tape, I have a pretty big project to do, and I might need to get something similar to that mounting tape, but I think I need to go over to the craft aisle. All the velvet steering wheel covers, those are all new. The drain rooter. My other location had, I think it was a 4-pack of the night lights, the Sunbeam night lights. I thought that was a really great deal. Fast tracks for cats, the little bowls. Okay, let's head back down to that aisle. The Simply Fresh foaming body wash, the regular body wash in clear water, also in Simply Fresh. The Vaseline all-purpose cream. How many ounces? 1.41 ounces. Oh, this is back. The NBD is back. This is the lavender and rosewood scent soap. Definitely expensive. I think one of you looked this up during a previous live and you guys told me this was like $8. I'm kind of a hand soap addict. I love having a nice variety. Lots of Suave items. I was so surprised, you guys. I was trying to use up this conditioner that was like half full that I had in my stash, and I used it, and for the first time in years, my hair did not get tangled after conditioning it. Like, that's always my situation, and this is what I used. The White Rain moisturizing conditioner, and I haven't used White Rain in years. I think I bought some one time just to use after going to the pool. I love this one. I will forever love Kiwi Lime Squeeze. That's the conditioner, and then we have the matching shampoo. I love this one. I just love how it smells. And it reminds me of when my kids were little for some reason. We still have all the Lady Speed Stick body washes here, Rose Delight, and Exotic Blooms. The Power Stick for her. Pomegranate Lemon Verbena, that's a foaming body wash. More up top. Shave gel. All the hand soaps. These big ones are still here. The Simply 56 ounce. I thought these smelled really nice. The Sea Minerals and Blue Iris hand soaps by Soapbox. I got 2 of those last week. I haven't used them yet though. We have coconut, we have cucumber and melon, and another cucumber and melon. Hand sanitizer, I think these are new. Also, pomegranate and vanilla. That one is new. Those are just 3 ounces. And then all of our regular ones. I really like the lavender one. I think it smells really nice. I think this one showed up last week. This is the Acne Prone Skin Facial Wash from Dermasil. We also have a oil-free night moisturizer facial cream with vitamin E. And we have a oil-free facial cream with vitamin E. That's a daily facial cream. These are back. The daily cleansers. Yeah, that's about it down that aisle. Hopefully I pointed out everything brand new. Let's just take one more peek and see if we have anything here on the end caps that might be new. I think that's it, you guys. Hey, some weeks are slow at Dollar Tree. Some weeks are like exploding with new things. Other weeks are a little less exciting, but it's definitely worth checking. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree at the Dollery location. I hope you had fun. I always love bringing you guys along to shop with me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe, and you will be part of the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.